Welcome back to Energy Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to get streak-free windows the easy way, and it does not include Windex. I don't hate Windex, but I do not think it's the best thing on the market. How about this sprayway? This is fun. This is foam. I do like this, but this is not the easiest method in my opinion. How about you get some Dawn dish soap, a big bucket, and you clean all your windows? Well, that kind of takes a lot more time and effort, and then you got the bucket, and then you got to fill it, and then you dip it, and all that stuff. What if I told you it only took one thing? Well, kind of two things. And then let's talk about the paper towel. This doesn't always clean very well. Oftentimes it can leave a little residue on your windows and mirrors. Squeegee, this is great, especially if you are cleaning big outside windows or indoor windows. Make sure that you are using the S technique. I will link that video in the description box below to save you time and truly get a streak-free shine. Can we guess what it is? Water. Plain old water. Well, this is filtered water from my refrigerator. I know, imagine that, just plain old water to get streak-free windows and mirrors. Let me show you. And a cloth. I prefer these. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just ordered more of these because I love them so much. You could also just use a plain old kitchen towel. Friends and family come over to my house and they say, Andrea Jean, how do you keep your bathroom so clean? 1, routine, and 2, this. If you got a dirty mirror, it makes the rest of your bathroom look dirty. Kind of like if you have an unmade bed. Yes, let me know in the comments box below. Look at this. Removes over 99% of bacteria. A healthier way to clean. E-cloth is enough. Here's how I keep my bathrooms and mirrors streak-free, and windows. You do this exact same thing on my windows. I have a ton of windows in my house. In every bathroom, like I mentioned, I go in here. I literally take 5 minutes in the morning to clean these after my kids go to school. This is in the bathroom. Again, wipe the mirror using your Z method or your S technique. This is all that you need. And then here's like a little bonus tip for you. Look at that in the sink. My daughter likes to brush her teeth in here. Just have some of these on hand and you can quickly wipe down all of your surfaces and you will have a clean bathroom all the time. This is also great if you have company coming over and you need a quick clean. No need to mess with chemicals when it comes to your windows and your mirrors. Bonus tips here. Not only are you gonna have a clean bathroom all the time, but your windows and your mirrors will be streak-free with just 2 simple things. Anything I talk about is linked in that description box below. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.